So welcome back. I was making videos before and at some point I stopped. This is not Europe, this is Nigeria, but I will tell you where I am. I will tell you maybe possibly when I get to the gate. See how environment be. If you live here for 5 years, you begin to think like human being. You just see everywhere, right? You say they Port Harcourt, to guess where be this? Guess where be this? You know where be this? Okay, it's like I will no. Let me just drive around and come out a bit. Okay, let me get inside a bit. If I come out, then we can go. This is the life and the standard we want you to enjoy as human. You see everywhere be like Europe, right? Yeah. See everywhere be like Europe. Okay, let me turn. I'm going out. Let me. You see everywhere be like Europe. I be no be Dubai. Be this so. Not be Dubai. Be this so. Experience. If you stay here for like this place, 80% in they be here. Which and they be real abroad. Abi 80% when they be real abroad. Some government officials, white men, people. Eba for here. Today, anywhere I go, I enter inside and I go show you. This is the standard we want to create. This is what we want to give you. Wherever the Europe, if you make video here now, all Europe, okay, no. I'm a mistake. I can get the other side road, you know. Yeah, that's the way it is. Oh, is it here? You must open your boot here. I have a code, right? So this is how you cross here. This is how you cross here. Are they not here? I made a mistake. I gotta be video and me. So let me take this way. The focus area. So that is Gulf Estates. That is Gulf Estates. That's Gulf Estates. Ime Gulf Estate. You got barely Ime Gulf Estate for 1 hour.
More than 1 hour.
You got barely Ime for more than 1 hour. The security, the standard, the kind of people you meet in there, all the key rope. All the key rope. You know, if you stay there, the reason like goods, like you know, na village. Now, about village gok, now rubbish. The worst is, have you realized this is their shopping mall? They called it car outside itself. Get your turn on front. So this is what it is. This is what it is. It is what it is. Anyway, I should have turned from here now. Is that right? Okay. Let me go and turn at the front. So you help yourself. Let me tell you one thing. Where your politicians live and where you stay is not the same thing. I think I'm right. It's not the same thing. And that's why don't kill yourself as a poor person. Don't kill your fellow average person, because the both of you are suffering. All of us will they suffer, then they don't suffer like you and I. One of these days, as my bombas, Governor Sif Kubarano, I will just go to the government house and show you. And when one particular place in Garagana government house, while she can on no camera go see something. You know go to the National Assembly. You know what they do there? As I was sharing with our friend now, right? You know what they do? They wear different big red cap. Different big red cap. That's what they do. They just wear one red cap like that, and you wouldn't even reason well like human being. After putting on those red caps, then so what? What next? Big red cap. Hold on, let me turn the camera so that I can make you feel good. And can you plug this phone for me? The other one, the Samsung. Let me give you this one. That's Port Harcourt City for you. I continue my journey. Continue showing you on camera. Let me see if there's a way to reset your brain to make you think or reason like human being. Well, as I'm driving, I want you to guess the place. Those of you who has stayed in Port Harcourt before, or maybe you stay here in Port Harcourt, I need you to guess the area for me. It's not charging. I think my charger is in the boot. My charger is in the boot. If my governor there. My honor Robola there. Well, let me show people. A auto boss here and I share Leme refinery. Yes, now. Well, let me show you. Oruga Kopota refinery. Here above Hozo Estates. Here from here. Oruga is here now. Kopo refinery. Kopo refinery. I can already out. Oruga Kopo refinery. Nyaka governor Oruga Bola there. Okay. Now, Emana, this thing now, here, this road now, this side now, a link Hatila bridge, Yet a tire was a time I barrel namely for Obumichi use of flying boats. If you each a flying boat now, they are going on a million. Each a flying boat now, Iganya get a motor, you run Oburu this flyover now, and with a bigger parking motor guy, a flying boat, a chamber flying boat to Ga Transamadi. A chamber flying boat to go Goni, Ga Kwaibom, a baga, motor can be under this place. Doubt. Eban in Ocha, Bega. Jealous Bega did all this job. Fix your land. Fix your land. If you don't doubt me, why you be say if person come back from Port Harcourt for your village and they respect them? Mo go Owashi. They go say na PH in Bezo. Ewe ke ga si grade egi. No ka ga si lega anya. Ewe ka ga si okwu onu gi. You no need to talk like mumu. That's why if you talk, they must see and so they will do better for Ebonyi State that time. Now here we in base now. Now here. He was doing business at there for those days. The governor of Akwa Ibom State, Godswill Akpabio, the former governor of Akwa Ibom State, who did well as the governor of Akwa Ibom State. I want to room Masiko Bibula. On a room Masiko, she started her life. This is LL1. In case you don't know, LL1 is not even the heart of Port Harcourt, but yeah, it is fine. It is fine. Lane road, 2 lane. No, hearing the Bagacha Kemba, 2 lane. The poor, the rich, the beautiful, the ugly, the sad, the smiling, everyone is living equal, the same road. That's what you're going to use. Everything equal. I'm going to, one day, me up that 24 hours. Ma barge the city of Port Harcourt, ne go sigi. Kobodode. I say from morning till night. Iya for Kambara, Bapota an ordinary road everywhere. I got the crowd. From morning till night. That's what I wish our Igbo. That's what I wish our people. That's what I wish our land. That's what I'm wishing you. Good road. All these places were done by Julius Berger. This roundabout, this roundabout, if you hand ejit in a roundabout, ladies, nkade ka babwaya, nkade ka netana, I go here for chala the other places, for here for laka. Hagi for the agakwaya na scale. Many of them, even na bagari with truck, a bunch of illiterates, fools. No one sense. Because they won't take it. You destroy anything in infrastructure like this. Atwogenga, akwage shibotonga. Let you have 2 lane, no, 2 lane. If you close your eye, they drive. You know where Gaka. If they reach National Assembly, how about this road? Make sure enjoy these things. 4 lane, Abuja. We have run Southeast as leaders. They cannot do anything. This one was done by from this bridge now. From this bridge now, I don't see Roria. Manale, I cross wire. You can't notice the change. They go there, they enjoy 10 lane Abuja. How they here? If you're here, make sure you enjoy this kind of standard of road. Give you your place. Gamowa infrastructure. So nobody like me. Oh, I'm not against anybody agitating for anything. No, are you listening to me? Not against that. Till tomorrow I will repeat it. I'm not against that. But do your thing safely. That's just all I want. Don't go and burn down those communities now. Their schools are not working. Local government council headquarters. You're doing yourself. This thing caused you the problem in River State. Not about for share those days because of militancy, piracy, and all that. Now, do you know that there is one thing going on in Niger Delta now? In my hall, NDDC light up Niger Delta. That's the program. Any street, Ebara, from any street, Ebara, le solar street light, lanya across the road. Across the road. Oh, there's solar street light everywhere. You could ask yourself, can manage Zaiba Nina? Get the time manage where is a Cheba Nina? Why didn't you plug it? How many percent is it? 20. Okay, it will lead me to where I'm going there. I will be able to stop so that. Ega Abuja, Babariga, Senator Ghana, Ebona, Do, Babarigi Aka, Mr. President. I have emotion with me. Ochefoli hot or Mpama. Ochefoli hot or due to Abada Babariga, you feel uncomfortable. Go and wear simple thing. Ibi Burobu, Onyekabia, Oburobu Wagro, bend the aya. Even for the interest of Ndi Imo, despite Obuagri Bunishi, rubbish or not out of point. Le Papa. Papa Nyajemota. Very calm and neat, yeah. Yabreba na onyaka ga zowa. The state assembly members here in River State, Hancha Decha, young. Ebe nkanye hafa. Shabani. The Arab man says Shabani. That motor about Fred there now. All United Nations. I pay for the plate number, United Nations. That big Land Cruiser. That's how they are everywhere, yeah. Port Harcourt City. Can't compare it. Yeah, Rebecca, Edio Maka school, heat in name. My lady school, no man can give her. I will show you another thing bro. I'm here with my brother. He said I should show him around the city of Port Harcourt, so we went to see a friend somewhere in Gulf Estates, and I just came out of Gulf Estates, going back to my house. But all the same, I'm very need. I think I should. There's no way for me to climb this bridge now. Just to climb this bridge and show you something. I don't know. Can I do that from here? Okay, so I just want to show them business so that they will have the mind to invest.
Is it proper to park along this road?
No, it's not proper to park here, but just wind down a bit. Let me show them something. So you can see houseboat. This is the way it is. People are making money. Why not? So you see more of it across the road like this. You see, end up with a top boat badge. End up with a ship on a move. On a move or thing where here. On madam, we have business. See where you too say if you don't get money, don't blow. Not be only Dubai fine, not be only China fine. The next 20 years coming, I'm going to River State Garden. Come on, move, Igbo forward. Leader, move on. Everybody tinyaka. And then I'm going to balance itself. And I help go to the billionaires now try. And I tie us on normally they are doing better, you know. They are trying anyway. But you see here, people need to do better. Back to Transamadi, you know. Nigerians chapter this thing, this pipe on down, rod on down, channel, aluminium on down. Meihan Alibo. Let's see if I can take you to GRA now. Maybe let's just see. Let's see how. Or maybe I will not get to GRA. Maybe OGRA. I think OGRA is better for now. Let me just show you OGRA so that OGRA itself they can governor Imo State in Abambaniaga and skyscraper. You know, there's no GRA in Imo State. There's no GRA in Imo State. Nothing like that. World Bank. If there is no place in World Bank, no place in the whole World Bank.
The whole of Owerri.
The whole of Owerri, where ball. And when you want to call that place, I don't even know self. And when the man I don't understand. Monyo bina Abuja, mo bina come me, I don't know self. I just wonder.
If there's any place like Owerri, then write on comment section.
No, there's no place like this in Owerri. There's no place like this in Owerri.
Lex is a good leader.
No, Port Harcourt is Port Harcourt too. Ana akode good governance. You want to get booking maybe Charlie Hendana. Booking maybe many things. Booking maybe many things. Iba kana get poe like na. Iba that road kwana. All the past neat as this. Very simple. If police is park here one side, no quiet. I did Zuya. Because that's the way Sabi boys Sabian, men Sabian, everybody Sabian pass you. They respect themselves. Lay in which are this forklift here, which are here, and how much are individual. And when they got whom which are this things, I get this surprise. How big I had a forklift. Would you jail gone? This one no be heart of town, or this one a company industrial layout. And be this. Okay, but this shocked man about that. I'm on live section. I'll get back to you. I'm on live section. I'll get back to you. So this is mother cats. We call here mother cats. So in here both are inside total F that side. Okay. Do to Bododi. Iga bare Port Harcourt from morning till night na third road. Okuga ama mmeto yo ke ya na akpọ ya ke ya na akpọ ya pothole from morning till night. Inwe property here ebe a na iwe odogwu ewo mpa le ihe leaders anyị ji ego anyị na-eme. Achọghị m ịkpọ onye nwe ihe ahụ. I don't want to call him this small ọ rụrụ ihe a very mean. Major properties n'obodo a. Some southeast governors nwe, some senators nwe, individuals or a company have been secured. He may invest. Lay here now. This now or a company. Lebe ndocha na money jianibi inside opposite like this. Now, lay the secret of this town. Ebo believe for us oshisho inside or camp on ndocha. Habinemia. Beruya Nima Bali, ebe 12-1. Ehuwa machines, Lamborghini Pantage, men ebu putawa moto. Na bali na baloza na toto na. You can only put a double silencer. Woo! You can wonder. So this is in Pogo Junction. Go back to Stadium Road. You got to go. Oh, in Horunye. Where can I go road? Everywhere. Also, see again with some communities. We get tired. Chaye kwa hego. Ikwere road, the go lokuro for demolition. And when you demolition, you make the road expand small. New money ego. Business is now gaga. Over there, did you love? Over there, you love. So this is Garrison. This is Garrison. One day, in a video like this, so go chat people, places. Ndewe Garrison na, Obuna Balea webe we Kenya ne ha 2 billion dash. 2 billion naira dash. Na how would me wa Christmas. I better tire also the people they keep quiet. Well, I'm tired. Ne oburu no obodo anyị na ndị ma na-efokasicha anya nda zuru keke anọ here. Le keke anọ n'elu ya, ha ezuru ya. Ka sim tinyere n'elu dia. Ha ga-ezuru the keke immediately. Jere ya. About how many flyovers now along this road? Ka agụgị. Ọrọla na anyị ala Igbo anyị, ọrọla na anyị ọ na-ewute anyị, ọrọla na anyị. Ajiz obodo onye ọzọ mere obodo anyị. Not the bad. You will hand it ever needed. You hand it ever needed. Now this is the community we call Oruworuku. From here now is Oruworuku. Kambana Ladika. Then the community na Oruworuku eba. Eba and in itself. But part na we like I the Oruworuku eba na Oruworuku across like this. How many lane came for here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yota. For how many lane? Oh, for how many lane? Oh, I go for how wide those are. Wait, ma can follow up. Ma climb up, may see. How many flyovers no knows that? I don't try to unlock with Julius Bigger. Those are what Abuja did. Now, Port Harcourt. that now. Make I enter. Might just boycott GRA small. Because he said I should take you around, bro. I need to show fans also. It's how to give me no need from morning till night. You don't go dirty. I tell you. You don't go dirty as he been and say he been. So this is one entrance of GRA. If I hear an abale, you quit it. Nigeria with this. Eh? Just one entrance. Aye. I want to see Bicha here. Eh? Happy to take a. Remember, need the whole GRA as big as this GRA. A contract to Julius Berger. People should charge the whole quota. All plus all. Wait. Make I enter Brebi Street. A contract to Julius Berger. Julius Berger people should charge the neighbor from A to Z. People share my new ones I ever here now. Got a people share to anybody. People share all plus all. Look at the if I go from small I turn, you know how big GR will be now. When you saw money, when you saw happy. Ishin Cabana, give for presidential hotel, okay? In presidential area. I went to book Ishinara. Man, still go this way. I'll come back here. Quietly. A bubble and kurota, tight. But turn. I'm awesome now, mate. Moto ni honya turn. Yeah, are you okay? Sorry. Ay. Then with this white house here. Go with this white house here, The other, as in the big one, underground. Onye Roriani can never. You can't go just all celebrities. Be a celebrity. I say a picture, man. They all people know all these mansions. How many underground don't know here? None at River State. None at this GRA. How many? Street to go see them. Let me still go here.
Sweet
everywhere. Are they about to here? To here. You are finished. Gagala. I block cashier everywhere, military. Former chief of staff, River State government. The flowers or a gaman and mansions no name here. A bani in the Julius Berger are everywhere. Berger everywhere, everywhere. ridiculous beggar everywhere. Le road. On a job a Imo state like this, Obi about one PI. Bad road alone, My local government ain't got about the worst. The worst. No when some part of our Hajiga, kwa give me a Hebrew. Game man, I chineke yourself, man, I knew Hebrew. If you know our lower governor. Let me just go front and turn. Oh my God, oh, I'm a boss. Don't talk about that. Let's go about that. Even GRU na amụ ọrụ na to some areas now. GRU na amụ ọrụ to many estates na Transamari now. GRU ka na amụ ọrụ to. Not just run around here too much. Na my state. Governor say no federal road no ga road this side. Or ga car. Or ga this one be federal road. Ndị ama ihe bụ federal road ya. You know what be federal road. Achọghị ma ihe bụ federal road. Arụọ ya kpam ijanya gị fụ ya. Film, photo, le. Ola. Ifokade ade. If go land there, I tell me go in with the camera and go get later. If we're not there now, on there because I go on SUVs up to 3 or 4. They are on there now. Up from southeast, but they born on Oge man and stand on Abuja, on Lagos, on London. Ashashi. Nga just go show wa. Oh Lord, Doka Mighty. But I don't know ma. Oh Lord, Onya. Bonaboy. Polo Club. Polo Club. It's all a idea. Port Polo Club. More long OPM will be eba. Ata echa posichibozo. Ata echa iru na your own side itself. The bush goes or bush aragele. That's GRU. 1 bedroom flat in LB now. 1 million of naira. 2 bedroom flat will be 5.something million. There. A walk up benyo like this. You got buying the perfume. They obey laws here. You tell him that beginner. They obey law here strictly. They don't fuck with people here. But Toru Kwara ebe commoners no. You got that. Ha boy la film. Ha boy la film. No wait, make I not even follow federal road. This is the major road. Ma follow around again, me see, guys, see. That's area B. This is Mommy B Link Road. But this governor Rosa dualize Rosa, T flyover because of one property now no neighbor. I'm upon 19.
Which one here?
They come anything. Over the Europe. And where no. Ogam njegodi so good in J Hong Kong on lotama bia chero wam obodo no. So I try na gbage nketi. I be landlord for here and so ma gbage nketi. I no go come home again for this life gbage nketi self. You go no when no there. Hey man. So you go with that place. But we are consigned. Some of these properties, Boyhe, Onyako, Oh, you got it, Jiggy. But about Figumi that time, Jilos began to go one more like that. You got say more way on Hokonoza. They want this small short link road now. I call 2 lane. This small link road do put right here about 2 lane. 2 lane. Why? Am I why? Am I Hokonoya? This property not here. This property not there. Kajilos began to go Hokonoya. Oh yeah, mama. On Hokonoya. On Hokonoya, it's on a power, or control low power. And I had run a titi Ozana since Fubara Show Tana, get Tarumo Massy. One touch. A populator, a guy, sharp. A guy, but now, anyway, one of my fan, the guy Diego, just my friend. The man actually in here for this amusement park in here. But state government so the management are done misbehave. I talk Elise this place and for 100 million naira. Map all this my friend this year. 100 million over here because yeah, because 100 million naira with certain tasks. A man eba nime here. Come on, I get solar by here last time. Eba nime here now. First, they go lekra don't know gate. All the can see an organ balance. All the can add a ton of 100 million naira annually. Today now, how many millions they will make? The guy will edge. Yogi dia. Oh boy, invest this money. Yeah, Joe. Lago Range Rover now. By that time, on a chala abroad again. That's what I mean. I'm not say for I not to put them on another talk to them. Hey, talk to them because hey, it's more in any sense. It's more in any sense. Yeah, but any media and I get 115. HA had the other VIP side, get 2,000. He rode there now for crowd. For crowd, that time. With that connection now, with that link, and in a Guachaya, Goyoku, or bar flight, about Patakotia, and you could choke for where. About we have no go no G the money day. Let me tell you, the person where I don't day close to. You're gonna tell me. Ebala gallop. You don't experience gallop. Our leaders in the southeast, our leaders they do us something for southeast. These people, many of them, if not all is Sotina, Ntabia State, Amana Jilos Began and Rosa. I have an idea. But all is Soti could afford it. Roar at your best as a governor. The next person be roofing him Rotinyaka. Nka buy she from fry pan rocha say danyezi any man another fry amamanga we roaster. I can never tell amara what we amami haimero mami haimere mami hendi mo say ya bo me nwuro nye buru anya onu si butu ona anya butu anya ka nweta the good leader. Biko a different road don't have about it's just in your trouble all the hotel all the like this ruo bandere Hana Abia State in on end nagwage oza the like this ruo bandere Hana Abia State till the bandere hotel ka ode even when we big yourself ya oko I think 6 lane can now 4 and we big eru ya 6 lane from Eleme Junction. Now, there, you have got a make a mobile as uncle. Have Shell Camp Road. Shell Camp Road. Ndocha binime here now rule 4,000. Lee how big all the ndocha bi n'ime here. Akwa gị ndocha bi n'ime here. O ruru 4,000 n'ime here. Ndocha na-asụchapụ ụgbọ enweta ka ha si zọọ mango. That thing I told you in Transamadi na ha na-apụta zọọ plantain banana. Ota ka esi zọcha mango ndị a zọpụta ya side. Ọcha like this shell enwere time ọkwa Nigerians gba break. Ordinary mango gị nwebe abụgbu ga mango here. They wouldn't allow me enter share camp now with camera, and I didn't make calls. I would have made calls. Somebody send their own code. Engage by enemy. One of these days I'll do that for you guys. I'll do that, fans. That time I tell you say where they tell you say 50 Cent come. The first time 50 Cent came to Nigeria, and inside here when come. Busta Rhyme, Usher, now here. Think. I think Magidasi. But Magidasi not there. Magidasi not there. Or Usher 50 Cent, but there 2 times. So unsableness in leadership. That's what you see. That's what you see. That's what it is. Being responsible in leadership. That's what it is. Now, you have a small community. Small community they call Rumokrushi. I'm just here to show you around, okay? Yeah, brother, the office in Doboni here. The office in Doboni here. I told him easy how much. And when they were there, and when much we were there, oh, Tremoto. Yabona Libona, hey, could you ever be go? I better go on car, be go on car, be go on car. Go again. And when Rivers you take one there now. The Betania, get one and Gaju Nakapa. One day, Mapagana K. Ngetimaya no to. Ngetimaya no to like this. Even Pogagebe, you will kill who don't come at your side now. Iman fool you to just got a Gana Kuria Guneti, Onish, upon nice and then family the lazy. For where Leko Bodom Mother Day. Everywhere. Rivers State government are roller 75% of their roads. The whole states. 75%, including inside communities. One big bridge Aroga Hana to Andoni, of which takes billions of naira. This ring road, the Harogana, is over, I think, over 200 and something billion. Get Aroga ring road. Joe will take a revenue. The more the city na Togo Teno, Nature Street, small street, everywhere tired. Le manka. Le manka. Everywhere. I'm gonna be a jaggy second attire. Everywhere. Let's school a governor. I think I made sure we have. That were 14 years ago, Carol Destin. 14 years, look at the standard like this. I go solar canon earlier. Solar still on top. Then can you say now got in the Hanachi? There's an hour in the Hanachi. This room will fly over. Nime community. Nime community. Built by Julius Beggar. Beggar Reba. Beggar Reba. Beggar Reba. This is Sumo Krushi tank. Close to my house. I got Nga caught to a live video. Okay, had this from Ladu. Do Shindara. I got a Jama name. I'm one of them. So I'm talking to go see you long now when he get Megan. So tell me, Mbagide Tadro do Lado no lom. and the game na jump keke na poto n'ụkwụ gị isi gị poto ntị gị poto. How will you reason like human being? Ole ihe ga-eme gị na gị kpazie agwa kpazie ka mmadụ. Otu obodo dị street ị ga-agbagide korota ruo n'ụlọ gị korota agị ma gbuga poto. No wonder you reason like atụrụ. You will kill here now. You will kill 10 places a day. You will kill meeting 10 places or business 10 places in a day. You got higher lotta. You got to go. You got higher lotta large. Oh, again, what much they are need. I don't know. I got to. Nah, bye bye. No. Don't reach. Bye.